If you've ever had a fence outdoors, a wooden fence that slants or that is broken, this repair kit is fantastic. It comes in a twofer, so it's a two kind of like super solid beams. But the thing about it is that you can actually repair your 4x4 or 6x6 posts on your fence, especially where the door is. That's where usually the slouch is going to be. And how you actually install this is pretty cool, because they do give you they even give you the drill, so you can actually drill those pre-holes on that post for your fence. They give you the hex, and I'll show you them to you right here, because that's pretty cool. Very, very strong screws, hex screws right there. And they even give you the hex bit, which I think was a really nice add-on, because not everyone has those. And then what you do is basically grab your hammer. They even give you the impact wood. So this one here is kind of like that shim that's actually pretty thick, so you can actually hammer down the stake without breaking it. As you can see right now, I've hammered it down. What you do, they actually tell you to do it this way. I don't mind. I actually like it just like that. And you just... And surprisingly, this here is like super hard ground. If you were in a normal area, I mean, if I had it in a normal backyard, it'd be fine. It just would go right there, really, really deep. But still, this is perfect like that. And what you're gonna do basically is have your post in the back. And as you can see, you've got holes here. So those pilot holes right there, you'd actually drill through, and you'd have all of those hex screws going straight into your main post for that fence. So yes, the fence is going to be readjusted, reinforced especially, and it is a 2-pack, so you can actually do both sides of that fence that's broken, that's slanted, that's slouching, and then no more problems whatsoever. You've got a really solid fence now.